Visit us on onestepenglish.com.
Business English, Interior Design.
Let's learn English. Today, we are going to learn some words that are related to interior design.
We will also give some examples, so you will understand each vocabulary. Interior design. It refers to the design and decoration of the inside of a house or building. Interior design. Here's an example.
He established a studio for interior design last year, and we're planning to expand it.
That's nice. If you need our help, just let us know.
Interior designer refers to someone who plans, coordinates, and manages such enhancement projects. Interior designer. Here's an example.
This is Liza. She's the interior designer that I want to hire for our coffee shop.
It's a pleasure to meet you.
Layout. It is the arrangement and positioning of furniture as well as the lighting. Layout. Here's an example.
I'm almost done editing the layout. Do you want to see it? I'll just check it when you're done.
The look. It is the visual style that the client wants. The look. Here's an example. We just want to know the look that you want us to achieve for your apartment.
I want it to be minimalist as much as possible.
Renovating. It means changing and improving the design and decoration. Renovating. Here's an example.
My team is currently renovating our client's office, so I need to deliver some stuff there.
Alright, can I go there with you? I just want to check on them.
Feature wall. It is a wall that adds interest and energy to a room through texture, color and contrast. Feature wall. Here's an example.
Have you decided what color you want to paint on our feature wall?
I'm still thinking if I should choose navy blue or turquoise.
Home decor. These items are commonly used in indoor furnishings and layout. Home decor. Here's an example.
Where can I find the home decor section?
I'll just show it to you, madam.
Color schemes. It refers to the organization and choices of colors placed throughout a space. Color schemes. Here's an example.
These are some examples of color schemes that fit your style.
Those are really nice. Can you send it to my email?
Aesthetic talent. It means being interested in how something looks and feels, or understanding of beauty. Aesthetic talent. Here's an example.
You really have an aesthetic talent. I love how you styled your apartment.
That's nice to hear, thank you.
Let's practice your English.
Ready your pen and paper, then try to answer the exercise.
Choose the correct answer.
He established a studio for last year, and we're planning to expand it.
Letter A. Interior design.
Letter B. The look.
Letter C. Feature wall.
The correct answer is letter A. Aesthetic talent. He established a studio for interior design last year, and we're planning to expand it.
This is Liza. She's the that I want to hire for our coffee shop.
Letter A. Renovating.
Letter B. Interior designer.
Letter C. Home decor.
The correct answer is letter B. Interior designer. This is Lisa. She's the interior designer that I want to hire for our coffee shop.
I'm almost done editing the. Do you want to see it?
Letter A. Aesthetic talent.
Letter B. Color schemes.
Letter C. Layout. The correct answer is letter C. Layout. I'm almost done editing the layout. Do you want to see it? We just want to know that you want us to achieve for your apartment.
Letter A. The look.
Letter B. Interior design.
Letter C. Feature wall.
The correct answer is letter A. The look. We just want to know the look that you want us to achieve for your apartment.
My team is currently our client's office, so I need to deliver some stuff there.
Letter A. Home decor.
Letter B. Renovating.
Letter C. Interior designer.
The correct answer is letter B. Renovating. My team is currently renovating our client's office, so I need to deliver some stuff there.
Have you decided what color you want to paint on our?
Letter A. Color schemes.
Letter B. Layout.
Letter C. Feature wall. The correct answer is letter C. Feature wall. Have you decided what color you want to paint on our feature wall? Where can I find the section?
Letter A. Home decor.
Letter B. Aesthetic talent.
Letter C. Layout.
The correct answer is letter A. Home decor. Where can I find the home decor section?
These are some examples of that fit your style.
Letter A. Renovating.
Letter B. Color schemes.
Letter C. Layout.
The correct answer is letter B. Color schemes. These are some examples of color schemes that fit your style.
You really haven't. I love how you styled your apartment.
Letter A. Interior designer.
Letter B. Interior design.
Letter C. Aesthetic talent. The correct answer is letter C. Aesthetic talent. You really have an aesthetic talent. I love how you styled your apartment.
Thank you for watching. Don't forget to click like and subscribe. Visit us on onestepenglish.com.